Welcome to Startup Hack. I'm Spencer Thomason, and here at Startup Hack, we love to train software developers in our licensed coding boot camps, as well as to build custom software solutions. I do have a lot of work as a fractional CTO. With over a decade of executive leadership and a solid 25 years in software development, I've mastered the art of transforming technology teams and products. Let's talk first about the misconception of AI replacing developers. Despite the advancements in AI, the idea that it could replace software developers is far-fetched. Software development is more than just writing code. It's about understanding and translating complex human requirements into functional software. AI, in its current state, lacks the nuanced understanding needed to interpret these intricate human needs and turn them into effective software solutions. Let's talk about the complex nature of software requirements. The most challenging part of software development isn't coding, but defining what software is meant to achieve. Requirements are often ambiguous, inconsistent, and incomplete. Human judgment plays a critical role in navigating these complexities, something that AI currently cannot replicate. So, with my experience, we can see how easily software requirements can be misunderstood. A project can involve dynamic terms and conditions demonstrated that even clear directives from clients can lead to unexpected outcomes. AI, without the ability to question or clarify, would struggle in such scenarios. So let's talk about where AI has some successes, but where its limitations are. AI has seen remarkable successes in constrained environments like chess, where the rules and objectives are clear and finite. However, in more complex and variable scenarios like self-driving cars, AI still requires human oversight. This disparity illustrates the limitations of AI in dealing with unpredictable real-world situations, much like those in software development. So AI is really good at stubbing out code and giving developers some easy template code. However, when it comes to taking requirements, fixing bugs, or building complex systems, AI still isn't advanced enough yet. The role of human judgment in software development is really important. Software development, akin to driving, involves countless judgment calls and adaptations to ever-changing requirements and environments. AI at present can't match the depth of human understanding needed to navigate these complexities effectively. Software creation is an ongoing, iterative process that relies heavily on human insight and adaptability. So there is definitely a future role in AI for software development. AI could be useful in specific tasks like rewriting existing software for new platforms, but it's less suited for creating new software from scratch. The shift from waterfall to agile methodologies in software development highlights the importance of flexibility and human judgment areas where AI still lags behind. Now, what are your thoughts? Do you agree? Do you disagree? I love having a great discussion, so make sure to leave a comment down below. Make sure to like and subscribe. Here at Startup Hack, we love training software developers in our licensed coding boot camps, as well as to build custom software solutions. So reach out because we'd love to help. Hit the links down below or check out startuphack.com today.